What's up, you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel so you can get updates on all of my videos. In today's video, I want to briefly discuss and share with you some tips and tricks about renovating properties. I am Mo. I'm a longtime real estate agent and real estate investor. And if you've been following my channel, y'all already know I keep it real and keep it raw. So I'm gonna take you inside over this property right here, and I'm gonna go around it and show you the ins and outs and pretty much what it will take to actually renovate this property from start to finish. Okay, guys, so this is the outside, right? And right now I got my man who's taking down, that's actually poison oak, poison ivy, poison oak, whichever one. Not really sure, but we got to get that down so we can get the outside painted. Okay. The dumpster, we cleaned everything out. A dumpster probably running, we had to get 2 dumpsters. This is the second one, so we at about $550 for the dumpster. Okay, that's a cost that people don't consider. And then the outside, just to replace, y'all see we replaced the wood on the outside, and that ran about, for labor was about $700, and then for materials about $500. Okay. And then on the inside, we did a full gut. So I got my actual guys who did the gut is doing the sheetrock as well. So I got a good quote on the sheetrock, which was like $3,500, and that's just for labor only. You still have to supply the material. And then as you can see, we have the electrical that's in. That comes up to about $10,500. Okay, so your electrical and your plumbing is probably gonna be your biggest expense. All right, so y'all can see, again, they do have everything roughed out. We have all of the panel boxes in. Well, I think he does. Just looking from the outside, he has that box. So yeah, so he said they'll come put the panel box in. The panel box will go right there. You can see it. Panel box will probably go right here from the looks of it. And my man will have this cleaned out by today. Tomorrow the plumbers will come in. Once they come in, they'll do their rough in. So what will happen is I'll get a rough in on the electrical, we will get a rough in on the plumbing, and then we will have to call in framing. Framing will come in, give us the okay to close up the walls. That's when we'll go in with our insulation and the sheetrock. So we are on schedule. We are definitely on schedule. And because we started this project about a week ago, so we're moving pretty good. And this is the kitchen area right here. This is the kitchen. Then we put new doors on the other day. So back to the price of the plumbing. Plumbing is about $2,500, labor only. We have to supply the tubs, the sinks, and all that good stuff like that. So the numbers can start adding up fast. Estimated rehab budget on this is about $30K. So still not bad. All right, let me slide through you. Get out of my man's way. Again, y'all can see getting all that stuff off so we can get it prepping for paint. We get it pressure washed, get the brick pressure washed. We're gonna make this house over. We're gonna make it look real good. Again, this is the electrical box right here on the outside. And the windows, we could replace the windows, but I think we're just gonna replace the glass in the windows just to save money. And we'll go around those, around the trim, clean all that out, sand it down, clean it out, and repaint it. All right, so we replaced all of that. And then if you're concerned about the roof, we're gonna definitely be able to save the roof, but also if you wanted to clean the roof, you could actually clean the roof with Clorox and save yourself some money. So I'll probably get one of the guys to go up top, clean the roof off. We'll get the brick pressure washed over the weekend. And yeah, the project is moving along pretty good. I'm really satisfied with the progress. Because the main thing is having a good team in place to actually get the project done effectively and efficiently. Okay. All right, guys, so I just went through this property and showed you the ins and outs and everything that's gonna take. It looks like a lot of chaos in the beginning, but this is the actual fun part. When it comes down to renovating properties, you can learn a lot in the process. So I hope that this video was able to actually help you on your next investment journey and help you, give you some tips and tricks on renovating properties. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.